This is the vision, and this is the progress report. The 712 billion naira renovation of Murtala Mohammed International Airport Terminal 1 stands as one of the most ambitious and transformative infrastructure projects currently underway in Nigeria's aviation sector. As of April 2026, the project has moved beyond the conceptual stage into active execution, with substantial progress already recorded, particularly in its preparatory and transitional phases. This development reflects a broader national effort to modernize critical infrastructure and reposition Lagos as a leading aviation hub in Africa. In today's video, we will provide a comprehensive overview of this transformation, examining the construction progress at Terminal 1, the construction and operation of the new temporary terminal, the introduction of free high-speed Wi-Fi, free charging stations, automated immigration check-in counters, and the implementation of the FAN cashless policy. Stay with us until the end, as this video delivers a complete update on everything happening at Lagos International Airport.
Guys, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.
The construction progress at Terminal 1.
As you know, Murtala Mohammed International Airport is one of the busiest airports across Africa. We process almost 4 million passengers on an annual basis. But more importantly, the face of Murtala Mohammed is really the first experience that every passenger has when stepping into Nigeria. As such, it's become extremely important for Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, as well as the Honorable Minister Festus Keyamo, SAN, to ensure that the experience when you're coming into the airport is improved. And I'm sure most of us know that that experience is not just about infrastructure, but really around, the people as well, how you engage the technology, how quickly you can be processed in and out of the airport.
A defining milestone in the renovation process was the complete shutdown of Terminal 1 between February and March 2026. This marked the transition from planning to full-scale reconstruction, allowing uninterrupted work. The closure is expected to last approximately 22 months, during which the terminal will undergo a full transformation.
I will.
The project involves stripping the nearly 50-year-old structure down to its concrete skeleton. Structural reinforcements are being implemented, while outdated systems including electrical, plumbing, and HVAC are completely replaced. This effectively turns the renovation into a full rebuild, aligned with modern engineering and safety standards.
This reconstruction is not just about Terminal 1. So let me break it down into the various phases that we have. First, we have a reconstruction of Terminal 1 where isolated spaces internally are being fully stripped. So we're talking about all of the electrical, all of the plumbing, all of the mechanical works will be stripped completely. We've tested the civil structure. We realized that the civil structure is still quite strong. It needs a bit of reinforcement based on all of the analysis that was done by the structural engineers. So the structure will still be retained. However, the facade will change to represent, more of Nigeria, and of course to make sure that it's a lot more modern. In T1, outside of the civil infrastructure and all of the MEPB works that I had earlier mentioned, there's going to be a lot of technology advancement. So we speak about access control. I know I've been hit quite a number of times with passengers asking me about touting within the airport, access control within the airport. So we will be putting in, new technology. So our check-in counters, our baggage handling systems, biometrics. You see some of the e-gates that are more active now. We're going to have a lot more on the outbound as well, making sure that we have integrated command centers within that premises as well. So that's part of what is happening in T1. The layout will also change really around some of the comfort facilities, where the processing areas are, how do you flow so that it makes it a lot more efficient for you from the point of check-in, or even from the point when you get into the airport environment till the point that you step on the plane. That's one.
Following demolition, the installation phase introduces advanced infrastructure such as modern mechanical and electrical systems, energy-efficient lighting, improved climate control, and state-of-the-art baggage handling and security technologies. These upgrades are designed to bring the airport to global aviation standards. Terminal 2 is also set for expansion to accommodate increased international traffic, including wide-body aircraft. Plans include extending boarding bridge zones, expanding apron space, and relocating existing hangars. Additionally, the central square in front of the terminals is undergoing a complete redesign into a landscaped, welcoming gateway that will serve as a modern first impression of Lagos. Road access is also being upgraded, including the construction of elevated entry routes for improved traffic flow and accessibility. Road networks and drop-off zones are also being redesigned to reduce congestion and improve efficiency.
In addition to the T2 extension, I'm sure most of you know about the congestion that we have at the airport due to some of the design issues that exist. So if you come in through Terminal 2 today, you're actually coming in at the higher level, or the lower level, sorry. So you're coming in at L1 and you're taking escalators with all of your luggage upstairs. That will stop because we're constructing new access, so entry and exit into the airport area, so that you have more space for you to flow in terms of the traffic flow. You're also able to come in at the same level, so we're putting less pressure on all of the equipment and infrastructure that we have. So I'm really excited to see more of a prominent area, more green spaces around our airport environment, and of course the entry and exit within the airport area much more improved.
The temporary terminal. To maintain operations during reconstruction, a temporary terminal has been introduced as a critical stopgap solution. This ensures Lagos remains Nigeria's primary international gateway. It is located behind the multi-car park and the Terminal 2 building. The facility spans approximately 8,000 square meters and can handle up to 1,500 passengers during peak hours. It is primarily used for departures, while arrivals are redirected to Terminal 2, creating a split terminal system that improves flow and reduces congestion.
This is a 22-month project. We've actually commenced the 22-month period. We kicked off by building off a temporary terminal, which is on the same axis as our international airport. It's actually to the west of T2, where the temporary terminal is active. There are 4 airlines that would actually be making use of the temporary terminal. So Air France, KLM, Ethiopian, and I believe Middle Eastern Airlines. Those 4 will be using the temporary terminal. So the temporary terminal is now constructed. We're looking at moving people into that temporary terminal by March.
Despite being temporary, the terminal is equipped with essential modern features, including check-in counters, immigration and security screening areas, boarding gates, waiting lounges, prayer rooms, free charging stations, and streamlined baggage systems.
Immigration, DSS, and others there is.
Free High-Speed Wi-Fi Initiative. Modern airports require strong digital infrastructure. In response, the Federal Airports Authority of Nigeria partnered with MTN Nigeria to introduce free high-speed Wi-Fi across major airports. Piloted in Lagos and Abuja, this initiative allows passengers to access real-time flight updates, communicate easily, work remotely, and stay entertained while in transit. For business travelers, reliable internet access is a key factor in overall airport experience. This move also signals Nigeria's commitment to modernization and global aviation standards. The ongoing transformation of Murtala Mohammed International Airport is more than just a renovation. It is a complete reimagining of Nigeria's busiest aviation hub. From structural upgrades to improved infrastructure to digital connectivity and smart operations, every aspect is being modernized to meet international standards. As Lagos continues to grow into a global megacity, the modernization of its primary international gateway will play a crucial role in shaping its future. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.